Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping into a long-term forecast for one of the most exciting assets out there, gold. We're setting our sights on January 27th, 2026, and a potential price of $5,200. Sounds incredible, right? Well, let's break down exactly how we could get there. First, let's talk fundamentals. We're seeing a powerful combination of factors brewing. Geopolitical tensions are unfortunately a constant in our world, and this uncertainty always drives a flight to safety, with gold being the ultimate safe haven asset. At the same time, central banks around the globe are aggressively adding gold to their reserves, creating a massive, steady source of demand. Then there's the Federal Reserve. Any sign of a more accommodative or dovish stance on interest rates is like rocket fuel for gold. Lower rates make non-yielding assets, like gold, more attractive. And of course, inflation. Even if it cools down from its recent highs, persistent inflation erodes the value of fiat currencies, pushing investors to seek a reliable store of value. Gold has been that store of value for centuries. Now, let's shift to the technical side of things. Looking at the charts, the long-term trend is undeniably bullish. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is showing sustained upward momentum without being dangerously over, suggesting there's plenty of room to run. The price is consistently trading above key simple moving averages, like the 50 and 200-day, which confirms this strong uptrend. The Bollinger Bands are also telling a story. They're widening, which signals increasing volatility, but the price is walking the upper band, a classic sign of a powerful, sustained rally. And finally, the MACD indicator shows a bullish crossover that has been holding strong, confirming the long-term upward momentum is firmly in place. So, what are the key levels to watch? We're looking at resistance levels around 4,900, then the psychological $5,000 mark, and ultimately our target of 5,200. On the downside, we have solid support at 4850 and a stronger floor down at 4750. These levels provide excellent opportunities for strategic entries. Putting it all together, the trading signals are flashing a strong buy. Any dip towards the support levels could present a prime opportunity to build a long position. The combination of supportive fundamentals and a clear bullish technical structure paints a very compelling picture for gold's future. Our outlook is strongly bullish, and we believe the path to 50 to 100 by January 2026 is not just possible, but probable. Of course, this is all for educational purposes and not financial advice. Always do your own research. Thanks for watching, and if you found this analysis helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Happy trading!